learn about this 40. So we're going to repair the bonnet support clip, I suppose, that looks like a bit of a nose, my nose. So all we need are these particular items: grinder, flap disc, a cut-off wheel, a welder, and a Dremel. Right, here's our side guards of the FJ. This is a very common problem. This is all rusted out, so I've just got them back from the sandblaster. I'm going to attempt to tack weld or spot weld just up under here to try to build that up, and then I'll be able to smooth that back off with a flap disc. So there's both of them that are in the same sort of state. That was where all that bubble paint was coming through, all that rusted up through there, and just a little bit of a hole here that we can that'll be easy to repair. A few extra holes that have been drilled in that we don't need for our badges. Iron hole over here, same sort of funny deal. There's 1, 2, 3 holes. This one here is not needed. This one here is not needed, but it's actually missing this hole here. They've actually welded that one up at some stage. This is the reason why I've got these extra holes. In case you're wondering why I've got all these extra holes, they just tech screwed it straight through, and yeah, it should look like this, but it looks like this. And he's gonna fill that hole up and just drill some new holes. Right, these holes are 4 mil. Oh, perfect. Excellent. Excellent. Not bad, I think that'll clean up pretty nicely. Done. I am super happy with that result. That's fantastic. Look at that. Thumbs up. That's awesome.